And welcome back. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, today arrested and charged 3 men in connection with a more than $200 million fraud racket at Insports, which was uncovered back in 2017. And we'll have more on this story a bit later on. Okay, so Kian Rayner tells us more.
Former financial controller of Insports, Andrew Wright, is among 3 persons arrested and charged by MOCA in connection with the $222 million fraud racket committed at the government sports agency between 2011 and 2017. The other 2 former employees of Insports arrested and charged as co-conspirators are Rudolph Barnes and O'Neill Hope. Director of Communications of MOCA, Major Basil Jarrett, says the 3 have been charged with various offences.
Persons have been charged with various offences, including conspiracy to defraud, acquisition, use and possession of criminal property, engaging in transactions involving criminal property, and 1 individual, I believe, was charged with larceny as a servant.
According to MOCA, all 3 are alleged to have been part of a team of former employees of Insports who wrote, signed and encashed fraudulent checks for payees who were neither employees nor contracted workers of the entity. The suspected fraud and other irregularities were detected by Insports in 2017 during an examination of their financial records. The matter was then reported to MOCA, triggering the investigation.
During the reporting of this matter, a number of persons would have lost their jobs, including Mr. Ian Andrews, who would have been the administrative director at the time. What's the position with Mr. Andrews?
Mr. Andrews is not a suspect, and Mr. Andrews is not one of the persons who we have signaled for an arrest or charge.
Major Jarrett confirmed that other arrests are imminent.
These arrests are the first set of arrests, as we are currently interested in a number of other individuals, and we have warrants out for those persons' arrests as well.
Kian Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.